Hey guys, this is HP OfficeJet Pro 9120. I'm going to show you how to restore network setting. Then after that, we'll proceed to restore the factory default setting. First of all, how to do this? First of all, you need to go to the menu. So select menu. Then you need to scroll down, select tools, scroll to maintenance, select maintenance. Then the next is for you to select restore settings. Select restore settings. It gives you option restore network settings, restore user settings, restore user data, restore all factory default. So first of all, we want to restore network settings. Once you select restore network settings, this printer will no longer be connected to the Wi-Fi network and the lights here will be flashing. So select restore network settings. Are you sure you want to restore original network setting? Then you select yes. Now this printer is restoring network, Wi-Fi not configured or connected, and network default has been restored. Then you select OK, and you can see the Wi-Fi light is now flashing. So this is how to restore network settings. If you want to restore all the factory default, then you scroll up and select restore all factory default. Select restore. Restore all factory default. All configured setting in the printer will be deleted and original factory setting will be restored, including the following, including admin password, network configuration, all job, HP work part license, etc. Then you select restore. So now this printer is restoring. Restore successful. Restoring printer settings. Here we go. It will switch off and turn back itself back on. It's turning itself back on. Go to setup website. So you start afresh. So now it's loading back the ink cartridges and everything. So what it's doing is setting back the ink cartridges that are installed in the printer. And you can see it will show you HP ink cartridges original installed correctly. Select OK. So now it's preparing the printer. Now I will ask you alignment is needed. So you start afresh and set up the printer and everything. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.